Most companies claim they are sustainable, but if you look closely, they are failing. And the worst part, they don't even realize it. From greenwashing to fake net zero claims to ESG reports that look good on paper but means nothing in reality. Something is clearly broken here. So the real question is ESG actually helping the planet, or is it just helping companies look good? Before we talk about failures, let's understand ESG simply. ESG stands for environmental, social and governance. In simple terms, it is how a company impacts environment, it is how a company treats people, and it is how companies managed internally. Sounds straightforward, but here's where it gets interesting. ESG is not a report. It's not a certificate. It is how a business operates every single day. And this is where most of the companies go wrong. Let's start with the biggest mistake. Most companies treat ESG like a checklist. Make a report, done. Plant a few trees, done. Post on LinkedIn, done. ESG is complete. But this is not how it works. Real ESG means changing operations, supply chains, waste system, decision makings. You cannot fix sustainability with marketing. But that's exactly what most companies try to do. Now, this might sound harsh, but it's true. A large number of companies are not doing ESG, they are performing ESG. This is called greenwashing. For example, claiming eco friendly without proof, announcing net zero with no clear roadmap, or promoting small initiatives while ignoring major impact. Here's a real world pattern. A company offsets carbon by buying credits but makes no effort to reduce emissions. That's not sustainability, that is optics. And consumers are starting to notice. Trust, once lost, it's very difficult to rebuild. Here's where things go wrong at a deeper level. Most companies don't know their own impact. They don't know their own carbon footprint, their waste output, or their supply chain emissions. And without data, ESG becomes guesswork. Think about it like this: you are trying to improve something, but you are not measuring it. That never works. Real ESG requires measurement, tracking, and reporting. No data is no direction. Another major reason companies fail is because they think short term. Can we become sustainable in a few months? No. ESG is not a campaign, it's a transformation. What actually happens is initiative starts then stops. Goals change frequently. Focus stays on PR, not impact. And this is where most ESG journey collapse because real change takes time. Consistency may not look exciting, but it is what delivers result. Here's something most companies underestimate. ESG fails when it is not part of a company culture. If only leadership talks about it and employees don't follow it, it breaks. For example, policies exist but are ignored. Sustainability goals exist but no accountability. Systems are planned but never implemented. Real ESG works when every team is involved, every role is clear, because sustainability is not a single department's job, it's an organizational responsibility. Now, here's a mindset problem. Many companies see ESG as an expense. Why invest in this? But this thinking is outdated because ESG actually reduces long term cost, minimizes risk, builds brand trust, and attracts investors. Companies ignoring ESG today will face higher costs tomorrow, regulatory, operational, or reputational. So let's be clear, ESG is not a cost, it's a long term investment. So, what do successful companies do differently? They focus on real impact, not just image, data driven decisions, long term strategies, team involvement, and transparency. But most importantly, they treat ESG as a core business function, not just a marketing activity. So here's the truth. Companies are not failing at ESG because it's too difficult. They are failing because they are approaching it in a wrong way. But the opportunity is massive. The companies that get ESG right will lead the future, and the ones that don't will struggle to keep up. ESG is not a trend, it is how a business survives. The question is, will companies adapt or fall behind? If you want to understand sustainability, ESG, carbon market, and real business impact, subscribe to Climato TV. Because here we don't just talk about sustainability, we make it make sense.